Hi guys, I'm Rudy. Installing a trailer hitch on your Toyota Rav4 can take you some really fun places like camping and hiking. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer almost anywhere in North America. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Okay, first step, on the driver's side, we're going to remove this panel. It's held on by 2 pins and a nut. We're going to be removing these 2 push pins with a flathead screwdriver. All right, we're going to be removing this nut using a 10mm socket. Okay, next we're going to be removing this toe loop held by 2 bolts using a 17mm socket. So next we're going to be removing this center panel held on by 10 push pins. It also helps to use a trim tool when it's a little bit stiff. So you can see, using a trim tool will make it a little bit easier. Okay, next we're going to be lowering our exhaust, held by this 1 rubber retainer using our exhaust pliers. By putting on soapy water on the rubber retainer, it's easier to remove. Okay, now we're going to use an air saw to trim the fascia. I have marked the fascia per instructions, and please avoid the kick sensor while trimming the fascia. So we'll be removing the kick sensor so the hitch will fit into place. After removing the kick sensor, it will be attached to the hitch once installed. Next, we're gonna put our hitch in place using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one, please use the buddy system, get help. So we're gonna install this bolt that was provided with the hitch. It does come with a bolt and a conical washers. We do make sure this conical washers, it does have teeth, and make sure the teeth is going towards the hitch. All right, on the passenger side, we're going to be installing 2 bolts. Now we're going to be tightening these bolts with a 19mm socket. So now we're ready to torque these bolts down. Per manufacturing specification. I am using a torque wrench here, and if you need information regarding the specs, please see the description. So now we're going to reattach the kick sensor with the supplied zip ties to the back of the hitch. Okay, now on the passenger side, now we're ready to reinstall the exhaust. We're not going to reinstall the center panels. We are going to be installing these tabs with the push pins. So with the hitch installed, we pulled it down to the ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 2 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 14 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for the hitch accessories, such as bike rack and cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the product seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.